Hey everybody, today we're in a Toyota Corolla. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855453. Now this is a two-piece mount, which means the installation is slightly more complicated than our normal mounts, so we're going to walk you through step by step. First of all, you're going to set the faceplate aside, and you're going to take this plate, which has the ProClipUSA.com sticker at the bottom, and that is going to be inserted into the seam right here, which is the seam between this upper part of the dash and this piece that goes down to the climate controls. There's a seam between the two. So we want to take this piece and basically line it up with the side of the screen here and just push it down into that seam. Now that we got that in place, we're going to take the faceplate, and for this, there is a seam between this silver piece next to the screen and actually the back side of the screen. There's a seam right back here, and that is where this lip is going to insert into. So now we're going to take this plate and slide it down between the previous plate and the screen, and once we get the two plates lined up on top, basically just going to rotate this one until it snaps in behind this screen here. And then you just want to make sure the plate behind is lined up so you can see both screw holes through the front. And then we're going to screw these two together using the two included self-tapping screws. And as you're screwing these screws in, you want to make sure you're holding the two plates together just to make sure those holes don't shift. So now that the two pieces are screwed together, we have a nice stable mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.